Vista, Tagaytay, Alfonso, Nasugbu Highway. Investors out there, this is commercial and residential land along highway of Tagaytay, Alfonso, Nasugbu Highway. Please contact me, Mary Nasipan niyo, 0936-393-2650, 0977-00-29191. No need proof of income to invest here. Along highway, exclusive subdivision. Okay then? Tagaytay, Alfonso, Nasugbu Highway. Malamig dito. May nasipan nyo, 0977-00-29191. Alta Vista. Marami po tayong project dito. Alta Vista, Richwood, Splendido, La Prairie, Royal Tagaytay, Luxor, at marami pa po. Thank you!